Hello, Marcus Guiliano here, international author. Hello, Marcus Guiliano here, international author, business speaker, restaurant coach, and fellow restaurateur. Going to talk today about my 7 favorite techniques for generating video content. Everybody who I work with and just people I talk to about marketing, I tell them about how powerful video marketing is, and they always say, I could never do that, Marcus. It's hard for me to get on camera, and I don't even know what to talk about. I have no idea, I don't know what to talk about. I'm going to drop 7 golden rules right now in this video that will help you create endless content to promote your restaurant. And this works in other businesses as well. You might not be able to get all 7 out of this video, but this is 7 specifically for restaurants. So let's start and jump into this. First of all, Google says by 2020 that video is overtake everything. It's video marketing, video ads, video posts, video's here. The nice thing about it is, see, the camera I'm shooting this on is about a $6,000 camera, but you don't need that. You need your smartphone. Your smartphone is all you need. I make a lot of my videos now with my smartphone. I just hold it in front, press record, and I talk. Whether I put it on a tripod, if I'm in a crowd, I plug in a little microphone here that I can, a lavalier mic that works amazing in a crowd. I can really be in a packed conference and have this live convention, this lavalier mic go back and forth between people, and it's amazing. I might have that handy. Yep, I sure do. So this plugs into your phone. This is for an iPhone. They have them for other phones as well, but it plugs in one end right here. This is like $100, $125. But if you're serious about video recording, it makes it easy. And then it has on a cord, and this is the lavalier mic, so I can either attach it to myself or I can use it as a microphone and talk in a crowd while I'm recording. Amazing, amazing investment. So let's jump into the 7 highly effective techniques to start creating endless video content for your restaurant. Number 1, tell your story. People want to know your story. On your website, you have 3 to 7 seconds to get their attention and keep their attention and make them decide to do business with you. One of the best ways is video, and you tell your story. That's how you become likable. And you can just keep retelling your story and telling your story, different versions and this and that, but tell your story. It's amazing how powerful telling your story is. The next one, step number 2, is the second most important person in your organization is probably your chef. Now, if you're the owner chef, you can combine those 2, and you're gonna have 6 points here to create endless video content. So interview your chef. Your chef has a story. Talk about your chef. Have your chef talk about upcoming seasons, things that are coming on the menu, wine dinners that are coming up, things that he's gonna be appearing on, she's gonna be appearing on. Have your chef get on camera. It's amazing. People want to, again, connect with you, the owner, the story, and your chef. Okay. Next tip, 3, testimonials. Get guest testimonials. It is super powerful when you see what other people have to say about your business. Other people are like, oh wow, look at this. This person says, oh my gosh, this. When they're doing it on video, it's powerful. And again, take your phone out and record. If somebody goes, that's an amazing salmon dish I had, best salmon dish ever, you have to say, wow, that would make an amazing testimonial. Would you mind doing that on video? And I don't mind doing that in video. Just record them, ask the questions, and go back and edit it and put it up. It's amazing. Recipes. Step number 3, recipes. Number 4. So 1, 2, 3. Step 4, recipes. Drink recipes, food recipes. You can have your bartender, you can have your chef, you can have yourself. You don't even need a bartender or a chef in there or a chef to do recipes. You can just simply flash ingredients, flash the proportions, do a picture of a pan cooking and this and that. Nobody even needs to talk or anything. Make it super simple, easy, go for it. Recipes. And don't be afraid to share your recipes, because that's how all these other famous chefs became famous, was because, or part of their success equation was they shared their recipes to their books, and people want to go to eat at their restaurants. Okay, so share your recipes. Interview salespeople. The salespeople are trained to sell products, whether it's wine, beer, a food item, whether they're walking into your restaurant, whether you're going to their trade show, or whether you're going to a conference. Have your phone ready and just start recording content. Have them talk about it. Say, hey, Here's the tortilla we use, and they can start talking about the tortilla, why their tortilla is best. Everybody has a story of why their product's the best. Take advantage of their knowledge and their story and put them on camera to talk about it. And then, well, we serve this. Of course we serve this. So, I mean, everybody literally has a story why their product's the best. It's amazing. It's marketing. Use it. Step number 6, suggest pairings, food pairings, wine pairings, cheese pairings with beer, whatever. Suggest pairings. You can literally take a wine a month or wine a week, a wine a month, and pair it with a new cheese. Or you can take a cheese and pair it with a new wine, right? It's beer and cheese. Just do pairings, do a quick video, 3-minute pairing, 3-minute video on pairing of why this works. And that's it, or why it doesn't work. What not to pair, right? There's certain things you don't pair, like Riesling and goat cheese. Don't pair it. Talk about it. Hey, this doesn't work. Okay? And tip number 7, which is my favorite one that I just started employing last year, interview the attractions around you. Interview other store owners, shop owners, not really restaurant owners, but whether it's a boutique store, whether it's an antique store. We have a theater next door to us, Professional Equity Live Plays. There's actors and actresses that come there, interview them, talk about what they're doing, talk to the director of the play house. The trails are a major thing here. Go on the trails and show people that can come to your town and have a great time, which is what I do. So preview the other things in your area that people are attracted to, because chances are if you're talking to an antique store owner, they're going to share that and they're going to use it on their page, and people that already like them are going to say, oh wow, look at that restaurant interviewing the antique shop that I go to, and they're going to now make that connection, and they're going to think of you next time they come. Okay. And plus, that antique shop is probably going to recommend you because they're going to appreciate you plugging their business and giving them a promotional piece. So it's a super powerful way, and of course, double the audience if they share it properly and they comment on it and share it and get into their audience. So those are my 7 golden rules for creating endless content for